Merry Christmas, everybody! In this video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of Lipa's album, Lipa. This edition, as you can see, it's a complete edition because it has One Kiss, which is the Calvin Harris song, plus New Rules, Scared to Be Lonely, from Martin Garrix, No Lie, which she did with Sean Paul, and Kiss and Make Up, Blackpink. So yeah, it also includes IDGAF and New Rules. So yeah, this is gonna be an unboxing of the New Rules. The complete edition of the album. Here's the actual case of the CD. Yeah, it shows you. Okay, so here's this one. Here's your disc. That's pretty much it for the complete edition of Lipa.